My final workshop ran this week in Harris, and it was just such an incredible way to finish the run of the early workshops from this year. I just had a run of 4 of them, Harris, Orkney, Isla and Harris again. Coming back to Harris this time, there was sunshine all week, which is quite unusual, but the group really benefited from that because we were able to stay out slightly longer on the locations and really immerse in those these beautiful landscapes, as you can see behind me. We've had some sunsets and sunrises. For some reason, it's only March, we wouldn't expect weather quite as serene as this. But to be honest with you, this group really just embraced that and ran with that, and really took the time to get to know their kit. But most of all, they embraced getting to understand why they were photographing. We had a lot of discussions about the why of photography rather than the how. Something that I really believe in is understanding that you will develop as a photographer, not when you learn more of the technicals, but when you start to understand yourself and you start to understand why you photograph, and opening up those channels to creativity. We have been to some incredible locations, and part of what I do in my workshops is read the land and the forecasts and the sea every day and adapt accordingly. So I'll always get people into the best place for that given day, and that is crucial to finding the best places to photograph on any given day, a thorough understanding of the place. Thank you to everybody that's joined me in the early part of this year on workshops. We'll be running more next year in focusing on Harris with smaller groups and adapting slightly. I'm always adapting and evolving to figure out how people can get the best out of their week with me.